Yes, people. All-purpose kitchen again. You have two nice yellow breadfruit. I'm gonna roast them. So stay tuned and watch how I go on. Catch my wood fire. Get the fire light up, my people. Can't out again, my people. Can't out again. Vagina. I'll get them start out now. Roast. First and foremost, I dig out the heart first. That one is almost right. Nice yellow breadfruit, they might be done light. Let now take a long time to roast. See it? Very pretty. Should be nice looking at it. It's so quick. We will chop yourself. That X knife. Whoa. I'll do like this. Fast and brisk, my people. Fast and brisk. And guess what, my people? I'm gonna eat it with some nice curry chicken. I already start out the curry chicken already off camera. I never get the breadfruit them yet, so eat some nice curry chicken, my people. People, so them look, them a steam out here now. Almost roast, so steam out. Can see, I'm gonna test them now. Wow. So once you push the knife down in the middle, you can see it go down so nice and easy and come out back. Got a little stuff on it, you know it roasts. See it? Wow. Roast for people. Roast, yeah? Roast. Yeah. I get it sort out now. Get it peeled up. Oh, it's hot. Hot. Wow. Fire come out of it. Peace tonight. Oh. Burns. Wow. That's it, baby. Yes, my people, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, you know what I'm saying? Give thanks for watching. Bless those who still not watching, but you know, give thanks to everybody. All purpose kitchen, okay? Thank you all for watching.